With this fan, we have the remote. You can turn on the fan. You can turn on the light. On and off. You can adjust the intensity of the light. And you can adjust the whiteness. You have timers, forward and reverse. We can mute the buttons. So that's the speed buttons. We can mute. Now we can change without the beep. Very simple fan, but very nice. It has a light at the top to reduce the flickering of the blades going through shadows. Very nice fan. Hello everyone. Today we're checking out the Minthouz 42-inch ceiling fan with light, a modern flush mount ceiling fan that's packed with smart features and designed to fit seamlessly in bedrooms, living rooms, or just about any indoor space. First off, this is not your typical ceiling fan. Right out of the box, you'll notice the sleek modern design in black that instantly adds a stylish touch to your space without hanging too low. It's perfect if you have lower ceiling and still want that modern ceiling fan look. The light is where it really shines. You get a dimmable LED light with adjustable brightness and color temperatures all the way up to 6000K. That means you can set it from warm, cozy glow to a bright daylight white, depending on your mood or activity. You can use the included remote or the app on your phone. With the app, you can switch fan speeds, adjust brightness, or even set timers without ever needing to reach for a switch. Speaking of speeds, this fan has a DC reversible motor that's both energy efficient and whisper quiet. The reversible feature lets you use it year-round clockwise to circulate warm air in the winter and counterclockwise for that cooling breeze in the summer. Installation is pretty straightforward since it's flush mount ceiling fan, and once it's up, you'll appreciate how quietly it runs. No annoying wobble, no hum, just smooth airflow and clean lighting. So if you're looking for a modern ceiling fan with smart controls, dimmable lights, and quiet yet powerful performance, the Minthouz 42-inch ceiling fan with lights is definitely worth checking out.